If your car is throwing warning lights, stalling, or refusing to start, stop before you let a shop plug in a scanner and charge you hundreds. Because what looks like a major failure is often just corrupted electronic data. Miss one reset step and the problem stays hidden. Do it correctly, and the car often fixes itself without replacing a single part. What you're about to see is the exact reset sequence technicians run before authorizing expensive repairs. These resets won't fix broken parts, but they will expose whether anything is actually broken at all. Reset number 1, battery disconnect reset. This reset is the foundation for everything else. When you disconnect the battery, you're not just cutting power.
You're forcing the vehicle's main computer to shut down completely. That matters because modern systems don't forget errors easily. Here's the rule that protects you. Always remove the negative terminal first, never the positive. If the positive terminal contacts metal, you can short the system and destroy the ECU. That's a 4-figure mistake. Once the negative cable is removed, leave the battery disconnected for 15 full minutes. This allows internal capacitors to discharge and clears corrupted electronic memory. Reset number 2, residual power drain. This is the step most people skip, and it's why many resets don't work. Even with the battery disconnected, your car still holds leftover electrical charge inside control modules.
That trapped energy can keep error data alive for hours. With the battery still disconnected, sit in the driver's seat and press the brake pedal firmly for 15 seconds. This forces remaining electricity to drain through the system instead of hiding in capacitors. Many electrical problems disappear right here, but only if the battery is already disconnected. Do this step out of order and the reset fails. Reset number 3. ECU hard reset without tools. Your ECU controls fuel delivery, ignition timing, idle speed, and shifting logic. When it glitches, the car feels broken even when nothing physical is wrong.
After completing the battery disconnect and residual drain, press and hold the ignition button or turn the key to the on position for 15 seconds while the battery is still disconnected. This drains the ECU's internal capacitors completely. Reconnect the battery, start the engine. Let it idle for 5 full minutes. No revving, no driving. During this time, the ECU relearns baseline operating parameters. Interrupt this step, and the reset is incomplete. Reset number 4, sensor connector reality check. Many vehicles get diagnosed as computer failures when the real problem is dirty connections. Sensors don't fail quietly. They lie when connectors are contaminated. Moisture, corrosion, and grime distort signals before they reach the ECU.
Disconnect sensor connectors one at a time. Use electrical contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. Look for green corrosion. That's the real enemy. Oxygen sensors, temperature sensors, and pressure sensors are common offenders. Cleaning restores accurate data instantly. Dealerships replace parts because cleaning doesn't pay. Reset number 5, throttle body relearn. If your car hesitates, surges, or feels delayed when you press the gas, the throttle body is often miscalibrated. Modern throttles are electronic, not mechanical. They must relearn airflow positions after resets or battery disconnects. Turn the ignition on without touching the accelerator. Let the engine idle for 3 minutes. Turn it off, wait 10 seconds. This recalibrates throttle response. Skip it and the car may stall or behave unpredictably. Reset number 6, Immobilizer reset. After battery work or electronic resets, some vehicles forget their own keys. The immobilizer activates and the engine refuses to start. Insert the key and turn it to the on position, not start. Leave it there for 10 minutes. Turn it off and wait 5 seconds. Repeat this cycle 3 times. On the 4th attempt, start the engine. This sequence forces the system to re-authenticate the key, and often eliminates unnecessary towing or reprogramming. Reset number 7. Climate control reset. If your AC blows cold one day and hot the next, it's often not broken, it's miscalibrated. With the engine off, press maximum temperature and minimum temperature at the same time. While holding them, start the engine. You may hear clicking or motor noises. That's normal. The system is recalibrating airflow doors. In many vehicles, cooling performance returns immediately. Reset number 8. Clear warning lights without a scanner. Warning lights don't always mean a current problem. Often they're just stored memories. Mechanics charge just to erase them because most drivers don't know this reset exists. With the engine off, turn the key to the on position without starting. Press the accelerator pedal fully 5 times within 10 seconds. On the 5th press, hold it down for 15 seconds. Watch the dashboard.
A light flicker or chime means the system cleared its stored codes. If the underlying issue is already fixed, the warning light stays off. This won't hide real failures, it simply clears old electronic noise. Reset number 9. Electronic power steering systems are extremely sensitive. After resets, they often lose their reference points. That's when steering feels heavy, loose, or inconsistent. To recalibrate it, start the engine and slowly turn the steering wheel all the way left until it stops. Hold it there for 5 seconds. Then turn it all the way right and hold again for 5 seconds. Repeat this full left to right cycle 3 times. This teaches the steering module its full range of motion.
Once complete, steering effort usually normalizes immediately, especially at low speeds and during parking maneuvers. Reset number 10. Drive cycle relearn. After a full reset, your car has no memory of how it's been driven. Drive calmly for the first 20 to 30 miles. Avoid aggressive acceleration or braking. This allows the ECU and transmission to adapt correctly. Rush this step, and you create new bad data. Do it properly, and the car often runs better than it has in years. You just ran the same electronic reset sequence technicians use before replacing parts and charging hundreds. No scanner, no parts, no guesswork. Now I want to hear from you. What problem was your car having, and which reset actually fixed it?
Warning lights, no start, rough idle, delayed throttle, AC issues. Be specific. Read through the comments too. A lot of drivers find their exact issue already solved there. And if one of these resets saved you a shop visit, hit so more people don't get ripped off for problems that were never mechanical to begin with.